So in today's video, I am going to show you how to create a Cent account on XM Broker. So if you want to be trading in Cent, especially if you are a beginner, you don't need to be risking a lot of money. So what you do is to deposit as low as $5, which will be converted to cents, and you can begin to use that to backtest or to test the live market with it if you are a beginner. And with that $5, it will be converted to cents, which means you have 500 cents and you can be trading with them, and you'll be trading in micro lots instead of the standard lot that you will be using on your standard Forex account. So you go over to your XM app and click on it. Ensure you log into your account. So when you are in your XM app, you go over to the top left hand corner, click on that drop down menu. You are seeing there are different accounts depending on the type of account that you want. This section shows you the real account, and this one is for the demo account, so we are dealing with a real account. So under the XM, you will see that there is a plus button here at the lower right hand corner. Click on that plus button. It means you want to add an account or you want to create a new type of account, and we are interested in creating the real account, so I'm going to click on real account. Now you have to choose your platform, your trading platform, whether you want to use MetaTrader 5, which is MT5, or MetaTrader 4, which is MT4. Now the advantage of MetaTrader 5 is that you can close your trades quickly, and you have instant buttons where you enter the market instantly. And another advantage of MT5 is that you can easily calculate how much you are going to risk per trade before you even take your entry. So you will know how much you will gain, you will know how much you will risk. If you don't know how to calculate your risk amount or the pip value in MT5, a video will appear at the top right hand corner showing you that. You can go and watch it and you see how to use MT5, and you can know how much you risk before taking a trade. So I prefer to go with MT5, so click on the MT5 and select it. It's already selected with the blue line that is surrounding it. Then click on continue. Here, this is where you are going to choose your type of XM account, and we are interested in the Cent account. Now XM may not directly write Cent account for you, but you will see depending on how much a standard lot will cost you. So in a standard account, one lot means that you are trading with $100,000. Whereas for a micro account, one lot means you are trading with $1,000. And then an ultra low standard account means one lot you are trading with $100,000. An ultra low micro account means one lot you are trading with $1,000. This one is for buying of shares of companies, and I'm not interested in that one in this video. So the type that I will prefer is the ultra low micro or the micro, but then you need to choose what do you actually want from the Cent account. Look at the multiple base currency options. There are multiple currencies, of which even this ultra low also has it. The spread for this one is as low as 1.6 pips, whereas spread for this is 0.8. So you see, this ultra low micro has more advantage than the micro because the spread of this is wider compared to the spread of ultra low micro. Now their commission, they don't have commissions both, so the minimum trade that you would take is 0.1, minimum is 0.1. So because of this low spread of the ultra low micro, I am going to choose the ultra low micro. This is a Cent account that is represented as this on your XM app, so you are going to choose this particular one. Then you are going to click on continue. Now this is where you will alter your leverage depending on how much leverage they give you as the maximum leverage. So let's click and see what the maximum leverage of this account. So you see the maximum is 1 to 1000. So you will go with this one. It means for every 1 cent you can multiply it by 1000. So you can actually, even with 1 cent, you can actually take a trade on this particular one. You need to learn about leverage and how it affects your trade very well. So if you don't know, there is a video at the top right hand corner. It will appear right now teaching you how leverage will affect your trade. So you are going to choose your best currency, and I'm interested in the US dollars. If you are in Europe, you can choose euro. If you are in London or in UK, just choose British pound. No matter the country that you are, you can simply choose whichever one that you prefer to use. It's still the same. Okay, so agree to their terms and conditions. Click it and click on continue. Now you are going to set a trading account password. This password should not be the same as the one that you will use for logging into your XM app when you were doing the registration. You want something different that you can use to link it with your MT5. So is this trading account password that you will use to link to your MT5 or to connect it to your MT5. So I have made a video showing you how to connect your XM app or XM account to MetaTrader 5 so that you can begin to trade on it. A video will appear at the top right hand corner. Now you need this trading account. When you go watch that video, you will need this trading account password. So I am going to create a trading account password and we will continue. So our trading account has been created. You can see it over here. When you click on it again, you will see we have the ultra low micro account here. Whatever you want to do, if you want to make deposit to this account, I have also made a video showing you how to deposit as low as $5 to this your trading account, and you will see how to make use of it to trade. Okay, so if you're interested in seeing how the deposits are made directly from your bank account, you can go watch the video. It will appear at the top right hand corner. And I have also shown a video how to make withdrawals from your account. If you are also interested, it will appear at the top right hand corner. You can go and watch it. So if you want to maybe nickname this your Cent account now so that it won't confuse you with the Cent account that is available on other brokers, you can click on manage here and you can change your account name. Click on it. Now click inside here, and instead of this, just change it to XM Cent account. Now this will help you to know that it is a Cent account. Click on change the name. So you see it has been reflected here, XM Cent account, and you can make deposit to this account. So I am going to make the deposit. I've told you the video you have already. You can go back to where I told you about the video to go and watch how to make deposit. And I am going to make deposit to this account, and I will begin trading the account for you to show you. So when you connect your XM Cent account to MT5, what are the trading pairs or the forex pairs or the instruments that are available for you to trade on the XM Cent account? They have a lot of instruments. All you need to do is connect it to your MT5. If you don't know how to connect it, I've told you where the video is. You can go and watch it. Okay, so when you come under your quotes on MT5, this plus button, click on it. You can see they have cryptocurrencies, over 60 of them. On the ultra low, just look at how plenty they are. And when you come back, they have derivatives, they have energies such as oil, that's US oil, natural gas. You can come back again, Under the same derivative, they have futures, indices of the futures. Under the same derivative, they have spot metals. Under home again, when you come on forex, they have different forex pairs that you can use. All the forex pairs, they have it. And under stocks, they have US stocks, Canadian stocks, Euro stocks, Brazilian stocks. So whichever pair that you want to trade on this particular XM Cent account, you can trade it as well. Okay, so I am going to search. You can make use of this search option. So I want to search CHFJPY. See it here. I will click on the plus sign. That will add it to my codes. Look at it. I'll press and hold and go to my chart. Now I am going to take a cell here. So you can, on MT5, you can see this is where you change the lot size. Then here is to bring out this buy and set limit option for you. So assuming I drag this to where the current price is, and I'm to take a sell, I can click this option that is SL written here on my screen, and it will bring out this line. I will shift it to the upper side because I'm selling. Then I'll click this option of TP here close to the SL. Click, you see the green line appear. I'll shift it downwards. So it means if I use a lot of 0.1 as is written here, this is what I will get as stop loss, and this is what I will get as take profit, depending on whatever you are using as your lot. Now this is the advantage of a cent account. Even though it's not showing you in cents, but the 0.1 lot size has been greatly reduced. It has been greatly reduced, which means that a 0.1 lot size on a normal standard account, it means for every 1 pip movement you are going to get $1 or lose $1. But on this particular one, you can see that if you take your entry here and you put your stop loss even as far as this point, it is not even up to $1, and we are talking about 8.6 pips from this particular point that you are seeing here now. Okay, so this is the advantage of a cent account. Everything is reduced for you and you can use it for practice. So let's assume I want to buy 0.1. You can just click like that. If it's your first time, you will see this pop up. It's a one-click button on MT5. Just accept it. Subsequent ones, they will not ask you for this. So you click OK. So I can click buy now, and I have been taken into the market with a 0.1 lot on my cent account. And even if I set my stop loss below here and I set TP at the top, you will see that this is what I'll be risking, $0.2, and I'll get $0.4. So I can click the forward button of blue there, modify. This is just how to trade this particular cent account on XM.